What is up, RC enthusiasts? David from Run.RC here, and today I've got some news for you. A new MN model is about to be coming out pretty soon. That's why I'm putting out this video. Coming out in about 5 days. It's going to be the new addition to this sucker right here, the MN model D90. It's going to be called the MN model MN45. So yeah, if you guys see it up there, it's a Toyota, and that's why I'm wearing my Toyota shirt right now. If you guys haven't already figured it out, I am a Toyota fan, so I am kind of biased to Toyotas. And yes, MN model is coming out with this new Toyota. It does look a little cartoonish compared to the real thing, but it's not far off. The real thing does look pretty cartoonish itself, so I'm guessing I'm going to enjoy this truck. I'm going to go ahead and pick this one up in kit version. You can pick these up at AliExpress, Banggood, eBay, and even Geek Buying if you want to get the RTR version for a lot more money. But yeah, new truck, MN model. I'm assuming it's going to be the same bottom. If you guys are looking at the pictures up here, it looks like it's got the same chassis, the same everything down here. On the website, it does say the RTR is going to come with a 130 size motor, and the kit version is going to come with a 260 size motor. Is what it's saying on the websites, but I'm highly doubting that. I am expecting a 180 size motor to go in this sucker too right here. And you know, the kit version is going to come with all whatever the kit version of this came with, you know, motor, lights, just the basics that you already saw with this right here. So just another model from MN model finally. I was about to put a video out actually a while back saying, hey, these guys need to come out with something more, you know, something else in this scale range, so this thing has a brother to play with, you know, because it looks kind of awkward playing with these guys. They don't match size too well, even though they are pretty scale, as you can tell from the real version. The Toyota is really smaller than this one, but yeah, that new MN45 is supposed to be a Land Cruiser FJ45 version, a truck version, so take a look at that. You guys have the weekend to go ahead and figure out, should you spend more money on these cheap Chinese little toys, you know, little scale trucks? And yeah, I'll leave you with that. You guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what you guys think about this new MN model coming out. If you're going to purchase it, if you're going to get an RTR or a kit version, let me know. Well, you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. And go run that RC.